What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. So I just did my hair cute, easy style because I just wanted a protective style that would have my hair on my face. I do still have to dip the ends. That's why they're stiff. Yeah, I still have to dip the ends, but I don't feel like doing all that right now. So yeah. Anyway, let's just get into my unboxing. So what I used for this style was this right here. What I used for this style was this right here. This is a three-way mirror, so you can see all angles of your head. I don't know if I can. Okay, so bam, y'all see? So it looks like that. It was $19 on Amazon, and what you do is with the handles, you hang it on a door. So you can hang it on a door, or you can hang it on a rack. I have a purse rack, and it's literally just right there, and it's really tall. It's where all my purses hang. And I just hook it on there, make it even, hook it on there, and it opens, and I just stand there. Or you can use a door. If you have a chair, you can sit down. But it's really nice, really easy, really simple, and it's also compact. So like, it's not gonna take up any space. You can either leave this on the door or pull it out whenever you need it, and the handles just go back into place. This is really neat, especially if you do your hair yourself. This is going to be great when I do mini twists, or just even, I'll say I'm more motivated to do my hair myself now, like protective styles, because I know how to do my hair, right? But I'm more motivated to do protective styles, like learning how to do my own knotless braids, or my faux locks. I know how to do butterfly locks on myself. I just never do because I can't see the back of my head, and it's just a hassle. You know, I want the parts to be straight when I do a protective style, you feel me? But yeah, so I did this style with this. I wanted to try it out to see if it was worth the hype, and it definitely is. So if you do your own hairstyles yourself, I would suggest to invest in a mirror. This one was $19. They have, of course, they have different brands and different companies and different prices. The highest I've seen these be was like $25.99. But I did get mine for $19, and I'm sure they're probably selling for even cheaper. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, or if you're a barber as well, you know what? I think I'm gonna, well, no, I don't want him breaking it, but I know he'll replace it. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, I want to buy, my brother cuts his own hair by himself, right? So he has locks, but he has the, you know, fade, what's going, so his locks are just on the top, like they're not, you know how the dudes have like the shade back, or what, I don't know what it's called, but anyway, he does that himself, and I think I should buy him one of these. I was gonna say I'll just let him use mine whenever he need to cut his hair, but I don't want him breaking my shit. Like, I know he'll probably be careful, but I'm real particular when it comes to my shit, so I think I'll just buy him one. He could put it on a door so you can see the back of his head, and he don't have to worry about nothing. Yeah, I think this would be a great gift if your man cuts his hair himself, or if you have a girlfriend and she does her hair herself. You should definitely get her one of these three-way mirrors. I think they would definitely like it. I think I am gonna buy my brother one, because yeah, he cuts his hair himself, so he needs to see, with the, especially with the clippers, I don't want him, you know, cutting himself, or with the, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna buy him one. The next thing I got is this. Okay, so this is a travel size mirror. So it goes like that, and you set it down on any surface, and it's chargeable. The USB charger is right here. It's pretty long too, fairly long. But this is a mirror, so you can see like what you're doing and stuff. And the best thing about it is, bam, it lights up, so you can make it low or you can make it really bright. But I think it only has one setting. Yeah, it only has one setting, which I don't mind. Some have like warm, cool, but this one only has the standard, which is, I don't mind. But this is really great for if you're traveling and you want to do your makeup, or you want to see what your hair looks like. And like, okay, let's say you're in a hotel room, right? But the bathroom is occupied and all you want to do is just do your makeup. You can literally sit at the desk, pull out your makeup while whoever's in the bathroom, right? You can sit at the desk and just do your face. You know what I mean? You don't have to wait on them to get out the bathroom, and then when they do get out the bathroom is all steamy, so you gotta wait for the steam to air out. No, they can take their shower, right? And you can sit and do your makeup at the little desk, and you have a little light here, okay? Bam. And if you want excess light, you can put this on there, and bam, now you have excess light, okay? These are definitely great travel essentials. Okay, so it obviously needs to be charged, but these are great travel essentials, especially if you are a girl and you want to do your makeup, or you just want to do your hair. You can literally just sit it down and do your hair, look at yourself, turn the light on if you need it. You can put this on there if you need it. And I really think it's a great investment, especially if you travel, or let's say you're just going to your boyfriend's house or your girlfriend's house and they only have one bathroom. You can literally just set this down, create your little setup space, and bam, you're good to go. So this is definitely needed. It was only $15 on Amazon, and like I said, it's rechargeable. So yeah. And I don't know how long the charge lasts, but it's not like you're gonna be using this for hours, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like it needs to have a there's a child screaming, and I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I know children scream, but sometimes these kids, they be screaming like somebody's about to kidnap them, and it's like, okay, I don't know if you're playing or if I should like go outside and see what's going on, you know what I mean? I just, oh my goodness, it just really affects me when children scream, because it's like, are you okay? Do I need to call? You know what I mean? I just feel like because I'm grown, I have to like step in, right? Because they're children. I don't know. Okay, I'm just going, all right. Anyway, do y'all get what I'm saying though? Like, when you hear a kid scream, you immediately think you're in trouble or they're in trouble. Maybe, okay. All right, whatever. But anyway, yeah. So those are the two things that I got on Amazon. I am noticing that I'm spending my coin very wisely, and I really like that for me. I'm not buying bullshit. I'm actually buying stuff that I'm actually going to use and that are essential, right? Because this is definitely essential for when I travel, right? And then I definitely needed this, so it's like I'm not really buying stuff that I'm not gonna use or that's just like bullshit, you know what I mean? Growth, right? Because I used to buy hair products out the ass, and it's like, why are you buying all this shit? Pick two things that you use on a regular basis and stick to those products, you know what I'm saying? And ever since then, I've been sticking with my Melanin Hair Care and my Camille Rose and yeah, just repurchasing melanin hair care and repurchasing Camille Rose products. Like I don't have a shelf full of products anymore. I'm not a product junkie anymore. And yeah, all of my perfumes, all my body oils I actually use. So yeah, I definitely feel like I've come a long way with my growth as far as like my spending and saving. Do y'all hear that? Y'all can't tell me that doesn't sound like a child that's in need. Okay. All right, y'all. But fuck, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah. Anyway, I guess I'm done. I guess that's my. Ooh, my stomach, child. I am hungry. Let me go get something to eat. But yeah, y'all. So let me know if you have a 3-way mirror or if you want to buy one. Definitely on Amazon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And also make sure you tell me happy birthday. My birthday is June 29th. I'm turning 25. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.